In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix automatic send fail receive not working in Outlook. If your emails aren't going out or coming in unless you manually refresh, this walkthrough will help you get Outlook back on track with its automatic schedule. First, open the Outlook desktop app. We'll start by confirming that Outlook is actually set to send and receive on its own. Go to File, then Options and choose Advanced. Scroll to the Send and Receive section and click the Send Fail Receive button. In this window, make sure the option that says Schedule an automatic send fail receive every X minutes is checked. This setting tells Outlook to routinely check your mailbox in the background. Choose a reasonable interval. Many people use 5 to 10 minutes, so messages flow regularly without overwhelming your connection. Click OK to save. While you are still in File, Options Advanced, look again under the Send and Receive section and confirm that Send immediately when connected is checked. This ensures that as soon as you have a connection, anything sitting in your outbox leaves right away. Instead of waiting for the next scheduled cycle. It's a small checkbox, but it makes a big difference, especially if your connection drops in and out. Next, glance at the bottom of the Outlook window at the status bar. If you see Working Offline, Outlook is intentionally disconnected and won't send or receive automatically. To fix that, go to the Send Fail Receive tab at the top and click Work Offline to toggle it off. When you are back online, Outlook should reconnect to your mail server and resume normal automatic checks. You'll typically see the status change to Connected or similar wording once it's online again. If automatic send fail receive is still not behaving, let's test for add an interference by starting Outlook in safe mode. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type outlook.exe/safe and press Enter. Safe mode temporarily disables add-ins and custom settings, which helps isolate the problem. When Outlook opens this way, try leaving it running for a bit and observe whether mail starts sending and receiving automatically. If it works in safe mode, that's a strong sign an add-in is causing the issue. Close Outlook when you are done testing and then reopen it normally to continue working. That's all to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to a smooth Outlook experience.